If you've ever been to Texas, you know it's a big state. With Big Barbecue, the Big Buc-ee's gas station, Big Country, and for guest trader Sharon from Dallas, a big payout for a big trade in this big Texas episode of Trader on the Street.
I was in a car accident, and this is something that can happen to anyone. I had the great lifestyle. I was a nurse and had a great income, but after losing all of my income, after my car accident, I had to find another type of work that I could do. And I have always loved trading, but I never really had the training. And with Shawn and of course Apiary Fund, I can now go through that and have the training that I want.
There's a saying on the ranch that you gotta squeeze the nickel till the buffalo screams. And as it turns out, that's good advice for traders. Because in this trading session, Sharon had to squeeze the nickel through 75 minutes of drawdown, until that moment came when she wrangled up one big high probability trade to drive them doggies home. How do you know when to go big? Well, as the ranch wisdom continues, it starts by learning to listen to the whisper in the whirlwind. Watching a price chart may seem like a whirlwind of information, and it can be difficult to know which direction the market is really blowing. But it whispers. It whispers in small and simple moves that give you clues to when and where the market is preparing to move. That's what Shawn showed Sharon this session, how to train your eye to spot the whisper in the whirlwind. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, you learn real quick to take your drink upstream the herd. So when you hear the whispering in the market and the setup is good, you get there, you pile in, like Sharon, before the herd stampedes into the trade. Let the herd carry you to profit. So it's like this. You can wait for 75 minutes or longer like Sharon, and then if you're positioned right when the herd steps in, you can recoup losses and book big Texas profits in an itty-bitty time frame. This is what Shawn loves to do when he's trading.
This is my favorite trade in the whole wide world. This is my favorite setup. This is why I'm going heavy right now. Not because I'm managing a good wobble technique, but because this is my favorite setup.
In fact, he loved today's setup so much that after his session with Sharon, he took a few minutes and jotted down some notes to explain why it worked and why when you find a good setup, you don't mess with it, just like Texas. If you want to grab a copy of Shawn's notes on his favorite setup, just click the link below.